What if the reason you feel tired, irritated, and unfocused isn't stress, but lack of sleep? You might think you're getting enough, but your body could be telling a different story. Today, let's uncover the clear signs you are not sleeping enough, and why you shouldn't ignore them. One of the biggest signs is constant fatigue. If you wake up feeling tired, even after a full night in bed, or you rely heavily on caffeine just to function, your sleep quality or duration may not be enough. True rest should make you feel refreshed and ready for the day. Another common sign is difficulty concentrating. Lack of sleep directly affects your brain's ability to focus, process information, and remember things. If you find yourself forgetting small tasks, rereading the same sentence multiple times, or struggling to stay attentive, poor sleep could be the cause. Mood changes are also a strong indicator. Not sleeping enough can make you more irritable, anxious, or emotionally sensitive. Small problems may feel overwhelming, and you might lose patience more quickly than usual. Sleep plays a major role in regulating emotions, so when you don't get enough, your mood suffers. Frequent headaches can be another warning sign. Sleep deprivation may trigger tension headaches or make existing headaches worse. Your body needs proper rest to repair and balance itself, and without it, discomfort becomes more common. If you're constantly hungry, especially craving sugary or high-calorie foods, that could also be linked to lack of sleep. Poor sleep affects hunger hormones, increasing appetite, and reducing feelings of fullness. This can make it harder to maintain healthy eating habits. Weakened immunity is another important sign. If you get sick often, or take longer to recover from common colds, your sleep habits might be part of the problem. During sleep, your body strengthens its immune system and repairs cells. Without enough rest, your defenses become weaker. Dark circles under your eyes and dull skin can also signal insufficient sleep. While genetics play a role, chronic sleep deprivation often makes your skin look tired and less vibrant, because your body hasn't had enough time to repair itself overnight. You might also notice slower reaction times, feeling drowsy during the day, struggling to stay awake in class or at work, or even micro-sleep episodes, brief moments where you unintentionally drift off, are serious signs that your body needs more rest. So how much sleep is enough? Most teenagers need about 8 to 10 hours per night, and adults generally need 7 to 9 hours. But quality matters just as much as quantity. A consistent sleep schedule, limiting screen time before bed, and creating a calm sleeping environment can make a big difference. Sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Ignoring these signs can affect your health, productivity, and overall well-being. If your body is sending you signals, listen to them. Improving your sleep could transform your energy, mood, and focus more than you expect. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more simple health tips, and we'll see you in the next video.